Hi, when we came to sell our house, as a former Arizona real estate broker, I wanted to get the best of the best. I needed somebody who could meet the requirements we had to market our house correctly. Access Lake Chapala met those requirements. They are an amazing team. They provided us with incredible photography and incredible attention to detail in their process of the interview. We decided to go with this team, and within 30 days they sold our house. Their marketing was amazing. We had calls from all over the United States, or I should say they had calls from all over the United States to come and view our house. We can only highly recommend this team because their attention to detail, both in the contract and every other aspect of selling, was amazing. So all I can say once again is, if you want to buy or sell, you need to be talking to Access Lake Chapala.